Hey everyone! Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a rut? Maybe you're not quite the person you want to be. Well, today, I'm going to talk about when and how you should change your personality to become the best version of yourself. First things first, there's no perfect time to start this journey. The right moment to change is now. Whether you're in high school, college, or just starting your career, it's never too late or too early to make a change. Remember, personal growth is a lifelong process. So, how do you actually go about changing your personality? Let's break it down. Step 1, self-awareness. You need to understand who you are right now. Take a moment to reflect on your strengths and weaknesses. Maybe you're really good at making friends but struggle with time management. Identify those areas where you want to improve. Step 2, set specific goals. It's not enough to say, I want to be more confident. Break it down. For example, you might decide to speak up in class or at work meetings at least once a week. Small, achievable goals lead to big changes over time. Step 3, seek feedback. Don't be afraid to ask your friends, family, or mentors for their honest opinions. Sometimes they can see things about us that we overlook. Use their insights to guide your growth. Step 4, embrace discomfort. Change isn't easy, and it often requires stepping out of your comfort zone. If you're shy, try joining a club or activity that forces you to interact with new people. The more you challenge yourself, the more you'll grow. Step 5, stay consistent. Personality change doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and dedication. Keep pushing yourself, even when it gets tough. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Now, you might be wondering, is it really worth it? Absolutely. By taking control of your personality, you're not only improving yourself, but also enhancing your relationships and opportunities in life. You'll feel more confident, happier, and more aligned with your true self. Alright, let's wrap this up. Remember, the best time to start is now. Be self-aware, set specific goals, seek feedback, embrace discomfort, and stay consistent. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.